So here we have this kick, like, and it's like sine, and like it's dropping at 448 hertz at A4, and then it's going like even drastically reducing down, like coming down to like 53 hertz, and then like just sloping down. Like, so the whole idea of this kick is, this is divided, like I would say, in 3 or 4 parts. Like at this moment, I would say like the 3 parts, like this part, this, like this drop, and then this part, which is like like the subtle slope, and this like longer part. I would say this part is where like transient hit is happening. Like it is just a hit, that the initial hit is happening, right? And right now I have this click, I'm gonna mute it. So right now you can hear just a kick, right? And that is the sub of the kick, right? If I add this click also, you can hear the sound, right? So now let's just focus on this. We are focus on just a sub, right? So I have this and it's dropping down. So this is the initial transient phase point where like you get that initial hit, right? And then this part is like the, what to say, main thumping part, right? Like this, like which you can feel it, right? If I change it, just look what happens. One thing I would recommend you is, like, when you're especially moving this one, don't go too high, because it's like then there's like too much of the frequency here then, right? For this part, right? And then this to this is you get this like low sub, which moves. Like if I just take it and just put it up, just see what happens, right? Basically the tail end side, what's happening to it. And also one more thing is, like, I can just take like just click and just make a, what to say, a slope out of it I want to. And I have clicked here, like double clicked here, and like now I got another point. So like now I can work with 3 points. So the basic whole idea, premise of this is this kick is this initial, these points are that you have this initial transient, and then you have like thumping, the place where it thumps, and then this is like the low point where like this, like as you can see, like the tail end is happening. Then I can also delete that if I don't need it. Okay, let's get back.